Hello there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps. We're going to be using our watercolour card and paints again today. I'm going to create a winter scene, which is a little bit strange seeing as we are actually in spring at the moment. But do you know what? I was driving into work the other day and there was snow up on the tops all surrounding us, which was quite a magnificent view, and it just inspired me. You know, sometimes you've just got to take that moment when you see a bit of inspiration to just get it down on paper. And all I'm going to do to start with is using water, clean water, and a paintbrush. I'm just going to create a mountain effect. Now it's hard to see, but if you just tilt it slightly you can see where you've gone. And just fill that top area with water. And as you know, when we add colour to the water, it will only ever go up to that water line where we've painted. So now I'm going to take a colour, I'm going to add a little bit of grey to some green, and I'm just going to start filling the areas that I've painted with water. And as long as you've got enough water on the card, it will disperse nicely. If it starts pooling anywhere, just pick that back up with your paintbrush. And I'm just adding a little bit more water now. Just bleeding it out so I haven't got a sharp line. Still adding a little bit more water because I'm going to go in a little bit darker now. So I've got my grey and I'm just going to dot again. And just let the paints do their job. And I'm going back to the grey. I just want to bring in quite a lot of depth in the dip here. So just play with it a little. Just tease the colours around until you're happy with what you've got. Okay, so I'm going to dry that off now. And I'm going back to the water and I'm just going to go over that line. Just to soften it slightly. Okay, and I've got a hint of colour now on my brush and I'm going to go over this white area down the bottom here, but I'm not going right up to the edge because then that will cause this colour to bleed back through again. So it's literally just to take that harshness away of the white. I'm going to go back in with some water. Just follow that edge again. And go back to my grey. And add more colour again. And let's dry that off again. So you're just layering your colours. Okay, so once that's dry now, we can think about stamping. Now I'm just going to tear some paper, no particular shape, but just so I can mask off areas as I'm stamping the trees. I'm going to ink up in the twilight. And then let's just stamp that round about there. And then taking another tree and again inking it up in the twilight. And let's put that one here. Like so. And now we've just got a worded stamp. If you haven't got this one, don't worry. And it's the same with your trees. If you haven't got these exact ones, you can use whichever ones you have. Now I've taken off that first impression because I just want it to be nice and light, not too overpowering. And to finish it off, we've just got a Posca pen, and I'm just going to do a few little dots. Just to finish it off, and that's it. So it's a really simple card, but I think it looks really effective. I hope that you've enjoyed today's demonstration, guys, and I hope it inspires you to have a go yourselves. Watercolour is so much fun, it really is. Well, thanks for joining me again, and you take care, and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.